van life. That thing's sweet. If I had the money, I'd have something like that and lifted. Those are expensive. If you're into van life, you know what a van like this cost. Happy Friday. Took the day off. This is my first road trip of the year. I know a lot of you guys are worried about the future. I am too. Unfortunately, there's a lot of things in life that are out of our control. But the one thing that's in your control is your drive. I know a lot of you are hard workers and you work your hardest to achieve your goals. And that's all I can do, is I could just keep trying, and I'm never gonna give up. I'm never gonna feel defeated. My job's about to cut hours in the next 2 weeks, and no matter what, I'm just gonna keep working hard, and I'm gonna find a way. I'm only about $500 away. With this next paycheck coming up, I'm only gonna be about $500 away from my lift kit. That thing's cool, but I'm still happy with what I have. I also got this tripod here because when I review my videos, I try to keep a steady hand as I can, but I got this tripod here. I had a tripod already, but I got a new one, so I got that. So today, when I was filling up on fuel, a bunch of kids came up to me, a bunch of youngsters. They're trying to get to Sacramento, and asked me if I could spare some fuel money. They had their little jerry can. I said, you know what, just hang tight, and I'll share. And then while I was filling up and checking my tire pressure, I was like, hey, actually, could you do me a favor? Could you subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my van life stuff? And they did. So, you know, that helps my channel a lot. When you guys watch my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave comments, you guys help me a lot. So I just asked them, yo, could you check out my YouTube channel? Check out a few videos, leave a comment. So when you guys do that, that helps me. So, you know, that helps fund everything I get from this channel. I fund my car projects, my van, mainly my van. Mainly my extra funds are going to my van. So I'm really close, only $500 away from my lift kit with this next check coming up Thursday. Hopefully my hours aren't cut too bad. So, you know, if you're watching this channel and you're a little worried about the future, keep your head up, stay positive, control the things you can, and whatever you could control that's a positive, focus on that, because if you focus too much on the negatives, you're going to be miserable. I personally tune out a lot of things, man. This is my life. My girlfriend, my pets, my family, and my car projects. That's my life. If I see too many negative posts on Facebook, I ignore them. I just tune them out. Have a great weekend, everyone. Be safe.